This February saw the arrival of My Journey Southampton's Get Cycle Savvy pit stop in Guildhall Square for those in need of help with their wheels. With summer fast approaching, locals will be looking to get more active as well as enjoying time outdoors by going on bike rides. The mechanics at the pit stop help individuals by repairing bikes, letting them trial a variety of new cycles and also give those interested cycling advice. The tasks given them range from taking stabilisers off to fixing gear problems. Once cyclists get to the pit stop, their bikes are placed on a waiting rack. They then write down what is wrong with their bike along with their contact details. As soon as the bike has the all clear from the doctor, they're called up to come and collect their fixed wheels. I spoke to Carolyn Ireland, who works for My Journey Southampton, to find out how successful the pit stop usually is.
Yeah, we generally, especially in Guildhall Square, because that's been run for a long time and people know when it is, it's quite normal to get a dozen or more in a couple of hours. We go into various workplaces like the City Council, and they can have, I think last week they had 18 in the space of a couple of hours as well. Obviously we need to publicise it to people so they bring their bikes out, but yeah, normally get upwards of a dozen in the space of a couple of hours.
The bike doctors travel all around Hampshire. They've been doing this for 8 months now and have even attended schools to help younger generations with their love for cycling. Most of the work at the pit stop is completely free, so if you're an avid cycler, make sure you look out for when the next pit stop is taking place. This is Katie Woodcock for Solent Journalism.